So it looks like I'm bashing a little bit that product, but I cannot live with it anymore. Why? Hi everyone, it's TechDad. Welcome to my channel. Today we are taking a look at this great product. It is the Oculus Quest facial interface bracket and face cover pad set. Whew. Long name, or you can call it the Kiwi Design Q2. First of all, in the box you will get this thing here, a pad that you can put inside your Quest to protect the lenses. When it came out of the box, it was all badly stored in the box like this. So I had difficulty having the right shape, but it's been 2 weeks and it's better now. So you just put this in the Quest and it's supposed to protect your lenses. It's not something I wish to use, to tell you the truth, not that it's a bad product, but for me having something like this touching or rubbing my lenses is not better than having nothing, because if there is some, I don't know, pieces of something that goes on this and I put this in the Quest and it rubs, it can scratch the lenses. I don't know, I don't care. But that was only a bonus thing, a bonus. Sorry, my French is taking over. So that was just an add-on in the box. You're really buying this product for the facial interface. In the box you will find 2 leather pads like this, which are okay. They are not like bad or very good. They are okay, they are well made, but I think the cushion could be better. It's pretty slim, it works. The main reason to use this instead of the fabric cushion that comes with the Quest is the fact that it's more hygienic. I hope I've said it okay in English, but if you pass your Quest to multiple people, you can wipe this out. This just becomes a big bacteria growth pad. So if you want to share, and even for yourself, having something like this in the long run, I think it's better for your skin and your face. It comes also with a plastic interface that you have to insert in the Quest instead of this. One thing I don't like about the plastic interface is the fact that it is firm or solid. It doesn't have any flex. On the standard Oculus interface, there is a lot of flex here in the side pieces, so if you strap this on your face and you apply a lot of pressure, you can have a little bit of a better FOV than you can have on the Kiwi Design interface, I think, because you just cannot apply more pressure because it's really firm. It's a little bit like the Rift S. And finally, you will also get a nose piece that you need to stick here for the nose, and that really needs to be improved by Kiwi Design because it's like, I don't know, it's too short. I have a small nose, but it still just go over my nose, because if it doesn't, it goes under the nose and then you keep the hot hair of your nose in the headset, and trust me, it doesn't work. It doesn't black out everything. I can still see a little bit of light. Personally, I like it not to be perfectly black down there because I want to see sometime where I am in my space, but it really could be improved because that pieces is just too short. It's just too cheap. So it looks like I'm bashing a little bit that product, and tell you the truth, I am a little bit, because I know they can do better and they will do better the next time, but I cannot live with it anymore. Why? Because what I didn't tell you is the fact that this facial interface here has air gaps on top, vents, and oh my god, it changed everything for me. The thing that I hated the most in the past about VR was foggy lenses. I'm in Canada, Montreal. I play in a basement. It's more humid than maybe your typical apartment, I don't know. And it's also cold. So the lenses, when you put them up the first time, are cold, and then you have hot hair coming from your nose or you playing, and in seconds it fogs up. And I'm not talking about playing like Beat Saber for 30 minutes and then you're all sweaty and it fogs. Really just putting the headset on and it's already fogging up. Sometimes it took me like 5 to 10 minutes just to be able to play the freaking game. And now with this interface, with the vents on top, no problem at all. No problem. I can put the headset in seconds. I can play. I'm a dad, 2 kids, don't have all day to play VR. And my wife will tell you that's not true, but in the past, I was tired of it and have used some Rain-X anti-fog for the cars in my CV1 and it did work. And please, if you do this, it's at your own risk. You are not supposed to do so. I didn't take the risk on my new Quest to do so. And with the vents, what I wish now is that Kiwi Design will continue with this product and just improve it, and that all the other companies on the market that are doing facial interface put these kind of vents on them. Can live without them. So please think about subscribing to the channel. Like. See you next time. See you next time. It was Tech Dad. Ciao.